Hello, good morning. My name is Bharat Dange. I am 20 years old. I am from Dang, Nepal. I am single. My education 10 pass. I am medically fit and fine. I have 2 years old experience as a factory work in Nepal. I want to come to any European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and weight lifting, operating machine, material handle, safety etc. I will stay there for the long time, maybe 5 6 years. Thank you. Thank you.